So I wanted to show you guys my setup for my communications. So this mount is a really nice mount. It's suction cup. You push this down and it pulls the suction cup forward and holds it in place really well. I've never had this fall off when I was off-roading. This metal bar here is actually flexible, so you can position it in almost any position you want. So no matter what angle, what height, how close or far, you can take it and find something that works. This here is a nice strong magnet, and the back of these have metal plates that you can attach this to very easily, and it doesn't come off. Okay? Actually, you're off-roading, bumping around, things like that, it's not going to come off, but you can pull it off easy when you're ready to use it. Pull it off, talk, throw it back on there. Pull it off, talk, throw it back on there. So it's a really nice system that gives you a lot of versatility without having a lot of clutter. So I've got CB and ham radio here. I can also use these mounts for almost anything. These are mounts that I picked up at my local department store. I actually got them at Walmart, but you can get them all sorts of places. They come with these metal brackets that you can just adhesive on. I actually take the clips off of my CBs and ham radios so that I can screw on these things in hot, warm conditions, super cold conditions. Sometimes that adhesive falls off. So this helps to reinforce the adhesive and hold it in place. But you can see it's just a metal plate that goes on there. This has got a nice strong magnet, and voila, sticks right there. So when I need to talk, I can pull it out and talk. When I want to stick it there, if I just want to hold it and talk, I can hold it and talk. Because it comes with so many extra pieces of metal, I can put one on the back of my iPad, I can put one on the back of my phone, and these mounts become very versatile. It's not some gigantic bar that I have to install. It's a simple mounting system that allows me not only to have my comms right there close where I need them, but I could also say, hey, you know what? Today we are just running ham radios. I'm with a small crew. We've all got hams, and I'm going to take this off. I simply unclip this, okay, flip that down, and that undoes the suction cup, and take it off, and I can stash that away. If I decide that I'm going by myself, or maybe I don't need any comms, okay, I could pull all of them off, and I've got all my visibility back, nothing cluttering up my dash. Again, very easy. If I decide maybe I want to run my ham radio over here, okay, it's as simple as putting that there, and voila. Now I've got my ham on this side, okay? Now I want to maybe put this here on this side, okay? And voila, I've got both ham and CB right within range, not really taking up much of my visibility. Maybe I want to take my, give it a little lick, can make it stick well. Maybe I want to take this and put this up here instead, okay, up in the top corner. Okay, so that my comms are all up here, and these metal bars can bend, and voila, now I've got everything all on this side. So it's really, really versatile, makes it easy to move everything around. It's a really versatile, really easy to use system that allows me to keep it within reach, where I can just press the button and keep my hands on the wheel and talk, or I could also hear really well because it's right close to me, or I can take it off and be able to use it, but then quickly put it back on. I don't have to worry about trying to clip something in place. I don't have to worry about clips being attached to my vehicle all the time that I can catch my finger on, or they get dirty or grimy or things like that. So for me, it's a really, really easy system, and I like it a lot.